I had to get away.
Hi everyone, this is Jackie Zhao from Team B1 for ECE Capstone at Carnegie Mellon University. And this is our Capstone project, the IR Man. So as you know, the Internet of Things has become an increasingly growing topic for the entire tech industry. With the broadband internet becoming more and more accessible and the cost of connectivity is dramatically decreasing, smart devices like your smartphone has skyrocketed its penetration into the market. So all of these things are creating the perfect storm for the IoT, aka the Internet of Things. However, many of the current household infrared devices, the IR control devices, are not Internet enabled. Thus, the problem arises when we aspire to come up with a scalable solution to empower these devices with IoT capabilities under affordable costs and extensive add-on values. So have you ever run into the problem of not being able to find your IR remote control lying somewhere under your couch? And have you ever had just way too many remote controls and you don't know which one corresponds to which one? And have you ever wanted to turn on your AC just before you got home on a hot summer day? So with so many IR control domestic appliances, we decided to create this IR Man device. So IR Man is a universal IR control hub with IoT capabilities. And what this entails is that it allows your smartphone to remotely access all of your household devices through the hub, anywhere in the world as long as there's internet. So with IR Man, we are effectively turning or automatically upgrading all of your household devices into IoT devices with minimal installation costs. And more importantly, IR Man is a fun, interactive humanoid robot that uses computer vision to map around the room to find the registered household devices and use the computer vision to generate coordinates map and use the map to reorient the IR emitter on the arm to shoot the IR commands at the corresponding devices like a real Iron Man. Alright, so this is our Iron Man device. Okay, let's now log into our web app. Log in. Okay. Alright, so let's calibrate the Iron Man first. So what it does is that the Iron Man is gonna rotate 360 around the room and take a bunch of pictures. Basically the pictures of our Vizio TV, our TrustTech portable AC, and our disco light. And all of these are IR control devices. So while the Iron Man is spinning on the plate, it's going to send over a bunch of pictures to the GPU server to be trained. And the GPU server is going to output the corresponding device locations for it to be ready to use. Okay, so now the Iron Man is done calibration. Each device has two corresponding theta values. One is for the rotating plate, the other one is for the arm. Okay, so let's go back to our web app. Alright, so let's turn on the AC now. And then press key power. Alright, so the AC is now turned on. Let's turn down the temperature a little bit. Okay, turn down more. Great. Alright, let's turn it off. Turn it off. Great. Alright, so let's turn on the TV now. Okay, now the TV is on. Wait for it to boot up. Okay, so now can we go to channel 1, key 1. Great. Can we mute the volume? Okay. Alright, so let's turn on the light. Great. Put on some blue lights.
Blue lights.
Great. How about some green lights? Ooh, fancy. Okay, how about some strobe? There we go. Okay. Okay, how about turn it off? There we go. Cool. So
Voila.
voila. Capstone done.
Capstone done.